Okay, if you look at the worksheet that I gave you yesterday, it's called Monohybrid Crosses. It's a worksheet about the crossing tall pea plants with short pea plants, and I did problem number 2 for you. The second page is crossing yellow-eyed aliens with pink-eyed aliens. So you're going to enter the answers in to that worksheet into this Google quiz that I gave you. So if you look, problem number 1 on your worksheet reads exactly as problem number 1 up here in this first section does. Cross 2 heterozygous tall pea plants. Now, I'm going to do problem number 2 for you. So all of these questions, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 questions about that first problem. I did problem number 2 for you, so I'm going to show you the examples. Problem number 2 that I did on the video read, cross a tall heterozygous plant with a homozygous tall plant. So if you look at the work in your notes, it says what percentage of the F1 generation are homozygous tall. There were 2 of them, so 2 of them is 50%. And then how many of the F1 generation have the genotype heterozygous tall? All 4 of them did. What percentage of the F1 generation are heterozygous short? None of them were. And then the last question for problem number 2 was what percentage of the F1 generation display the short phenotype? And that is 0. And then I go on to the next problem. So you've got 6 sections that match the 6 problems. And you can read up here right underneath the problems, and this where it says problem number 3, the problem is typed out and it should match exactly what's on your worksheet. And all you do is, instead of taking pictures of your worksheet, you just enter your answers. There are 4 questions for each problem. And then when you submit it, I'll be able to grade your worksheet.